We now have cloud-free skies dominating the weather across the bulk of South Africa, as you can see here on the latest satellite picture. However, we are still seeing a few patches of cloud across the eastern parts of the country, and throughout the day we had high-level clouds streaming across southwestern South Africa. Now on Monday, we are going to have a frosty start to the day across the central parts of the country in these areas highlighted here. Overnight temperatures would drop to below freezing in most areas. We are expecting partly cloudy skies along the east coast with a very small chance of light rain over the easternmost parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be fairly warm in the afternoon across the western sections. Now here's a more detailed look at the weather for your Monday. It's going to be mostly sunny over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, partly cloudy as we go towards the coastal areas, just a bit of rain around Richards Bay and the eastern parts of KZN, highs of around 24 for Durban and Richards Bay. Temperatures will stay in the upper teens across the interior. We are expecting mostly sunny skies across the Eastern Cape. Overnight temperatures will drop to below freezing from Queenstown into Aliwal North as well as into Elliot. A high of 23 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. It's going to be partly cloudy here for your Monday. Partly cloudy as well over the south coast. A warm 26 for the high in George. We are expecting a few patches of high-level cloud across the southwest coastline. Cape Town will peak at 27 degrees. A few patches of cloud as well in the higher levels of the atmosphere for Springbok with a high of 23. We are expecting warm temperatures as we go further east, but it's going to be chilly overnight over the Free State with a minimum temperature of -2 forecast for Bloemfontein. Chilly as well overnight for the northwest. Temperatures will warm up in the afternoon into the lower 20s. Just a bit of cloud is forecast across the eastern parts of Limpopo. A high of 20 is forecast for Polokwane. A bit warmer as we go towards Palabora. Skukuza will also peak at 24 degrees. Bombela should reach a high of around 19. It's going to stay cool for Gauteng on Monday with highs around 17 for Johannesburg, Soweto and Vereeniging. Pretoria will peak at 30 degrees. Moderate winds are forecast on Monday across much of South Africa. However, light winds are forecast for George and the mother city. Southwesterlies for Durban and Richards Bay. As we get into Tuesday, it's going to stay dry across the country with partly cloudy skies over the south coast and the northeastern parts of South Africa. However, wet weather sets in on Wednesday for Cape Town, George and Port Elizabeth. It's going to stay sunny over the northeast.
News that moves. eNCA.com.